Okay, to get started, go ahead and lay out all your beads here. You're going to want to pause the video, and once you have all your beads, you're going to take your string and fold it in half. And we're going to start at the bottom here with the black and the orange. One on each side. Then we're going to take the orange, both strings will go through. Yellow, one on each side. We have a white, both strings will go through. We have white on one side, black on the other. We're going to add an orange, both strings will go through. Orange on each side. We have an orange, both strings will go through. And then we have orange on one side, black on the other. And our last bead is orange, both strings will go through. And this time we need to get all of the string on this side. So loosely hold this side of the string and then pull this one. Okay, on the short side, take a random bead and tie it on the string. Just one time, we're just going to hold this string in place. And you can pull the long side as you pull these bottom beads. And then it will tighten up. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, go ahead and flip it over. And we're going to put our needle on. And we're working on the side that has this white bead sticking out. You're going to add a black, two orange, yellow, an orange. Okay, go ahead and flip it over. We're going to take our needle and go through this orange. We're going to add an orange, white, two orange, okay, we're going to stop right there, and you can take that green bead off and tie onto the string here. And you can cut that off. Okay, now we're going to take our needle and go through this orange. We're going to add one black, and we're going to go down this black. Go ahead and flip it over, and we're going to add three orange. And then we're going to add a black. Okay, we need to make a path to get back to this black. So we're going to go down this orange and yellow. And we're going to go up this yellow and then down this black. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add an orange. And a black. Okay, we need to make a path to get over to this bead. So we're coming out of this orange. We're going to go up this orange. Down these two. Up these two. And then down this one. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add an orange, white, yellow, and orange. Okay, we need to make a path to get back to this bead here. So we're going to go down these two beads. We're going to go through these two beads. And then down this orange. Okay, and that's what it should look like. What I want you to do right now is stop the video, and you're gonna repeat the same process we just did right here. So go ahead and stop the video, rewind it, go back and follow the same steps because we need to make the other side, and then we're gonna weave them together. I'm gonna go ahead and do my next row, and then I'm gonna pause and make mine off camera. So when you come back, this row, we're going to add an orange, pink, and an orange. Okay. Okay, guys, I have my second side completed. This was the first one. We added the nose. And I have a longer string on this side, so I'm going to weave mine from the top. So for this one, your string should be coming out of this bead here. What you're going to do is, if you see, you put them together, they just need woven. So we're going to go down this bead sticking out. And then we're going to cross over and go through that orange bead. So all we're doing is a zigzag back and forth to the bead that's sticking out on each side. So this side is white. Over here, we're going to go through the nose. Whoops, my string got twisted. Then we're going to go through the yellow on the other side. This side, orange. And that will be the last bead, because these, well, you know what? I want to reinforce this bead. So go ahead and pull the long piece tight, and this one. And I'm going to tie these together. And then we want to connect these two. So what I'm going to do is take this short string and go down. I'm going to go down this bead and up through this one and then tie it again. And now you can cut that off. We just want to make sure these two were secure. But there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.